Whether you've been in the Amazon Influencer Program for a month, a year, or somewhere in between, you probably have a lot of questions and a lot of concerns about how to stay compliant with all of Amazon's different terms of service. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of the most important things that you must do in order to keep your Amazon associates and your Amazon influencer account open. So, if you are in the program and you want more helpful tips like this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I'd be so grateful if you'd hit the thumbs up button as well. So let's dive in. First and foremost, it is so important to make sure that you stay compliant with Amazon's terms of service and that you follow all of their rules, because in a blink of an eye or a snap of a finger, you never know, Amazon could shut down your account for any of the numerous different ways that you could possibly violate their terms of service. There's a lot of rules. And so I'm here to tell you the most important ones and the ones that you need to make sure that you are following. Because like me, I hope that you are able to earn with this program for years and years and years to come. And the best, most important way to do that is to make sure that you're following Amazon's rules. Okay, so one of the most important things that you must do is that no matter where you decide to share your Amazon affiliate links, your associate links, same thing, or your influencer storefront or your influencer links, you must have all of those URLs, whether that's a social media handle or your blog or wherever you plan on promoting your Amazon links. You need to make sure that you link to them in the back end of your Amazon associates reporting. This is so important because at any time Amazon wants to be able to go and access your links through any of the places that you're going to be posting. And so you need to make sure that you list out every single one of those URLs in the back end of your associates reporting dashboard. This could be your social media, this could be your website or your blog, this could be pretty much anywhere where you're going to be posting these affiliate links, because the reason is that Amazon wants to be able to go look at them at any time. These links cannot be private. This is really important. I know a lot of people that have gotten shut down from this program by Amazon because they didn't realize this. You cannot post your Amazon affiliate links to private places. For example, a private Facebook group that Amazon would not be able to see and access right away. You cannot post them on your private Facebook page, right? Or anything that you need to be able to log into, or basically anything that isn't public facing. So how do we actually do this? It's actually very simple. I'm going to show you the exact process in just a second here. But you want to make sure, again, that you gather up all these links, and as you add more, make sure you're always going back and letting Amazon know exactly where you're posting by hyperlinking in this way that I'm about to show you right now. So first things first, you want to start with logging into your affiliate dashboard with Amazon. You'll see a lot of the space here is blurred out because, as a rule with Amazon, also to stay in compliance with Amazon, we do not want to be sharing our metrics on the back end, basically anything you have to log into. You're not supposed to be showing publicly. But for this purpose, for this demonstration, this is to help you stay compliant with Amazon's terms. So I'm going to walk you through, it's very simple, where you can actually input your links to make sure that Amazon can always view them. So when you're logged in, you are going to go up here. So one thing to note is that you want to be first off on your off Amazon side. So you're going to see all these different tabs up here. That's how you know you're on your off Amazon side. And then we'll go to the on Amazon side or the influencer side. So first things first, you want to click drop down and you want to go to your account settings. Now under account information, here is the link that you want. Edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa list. Okay, so if we click on here, now you are able to go and enter your website and add. So any website where you are already or plan to be posting your Amazon affiliate links need to be listed here. So you can simply copy and paste, or you can go ahead and type them in. And what you want to make sure you do is when you're adding your Facebook page, say, You want to make sure that you have the handle on there. You don't want to just put facebook.com. That is not enough information. You don't just want to put youtube.com. You have to actually link to the channel. And then when you're done, you simply click add, and then you'll have your whole list here. This will ensure that you stay compliant because then Amazon at any time knows where your affiliate links are being posted and knows where your sales are coming from. So the second step here is to do the same thing just to be safe, to go over to your store ID, go over to your on Amazon or your influencer store ID, and do the exact same thing. Now you'll notice up here, I only have reports and help. That's because I'm on my on Amazon store ID, but it is the same exact information. Same thing, you go to account settings, edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa list, and this is where you can input all of the same links that you have on your off Amazon side. So I hope that was helpful and just really crystal clear as to what links you should be posting and where you should be posting them within Amazon in order to stay compliant with their rules. Again, Amazon just wants to know where you're posting their affiliate links and they want to be able to go access them at any time. And that is a part of their terms with you when you are in the Amazon Associates or the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you found this video to be helpful, I would love if you would thumbs up, subscribe, all that great stuff. And if you're really serious about earning with the Amazon Influencer Program, I have a completely free masterclass where I walk you through my simple 5-step system in order to create 6-figure-a-year earnings as an Amazon creator. I've been doing this for quite a few years now. I've been an Amazon seller for over 15 years. And so I am happy to be able to share all of my tips, my tricks, my strategies with you in this free masterclass. So this is going to help you either get into the program or it's going to help you scale your earnings. Either way, I really do recommend that you grab the free masterclass, and I'll see you next time.